Viewer discretion is advised. Hello people and welcome to Called by Police channel, a channel that features only the best moments caught in interaction with police officers. If this is your first time on our channel, please hit subscribe button.
Oh, get out of here, he's going at us!
In this episode, you're gonna see a couple of really intense and dramatic police chases. Eventually, they are all caught by police. For example, this driver is really reckless. He ran a red light, almost hit the building, and you guess what happens at the end.
Get him out. Ahead of red. Ready for the SDS from side of the junction. And it's right. Well, red said to continue. And this is Bond Street. One side of the road. The traffic. Risk is medium, but it is said to continue. And at the end of Bond Street, it's the left. Vehicles slowing. Stand back for decamp. So get ready. Push the mini roundabout. 12 to red ATS.
Yeah, he's wrong side.
3 town way. Stand by. This Wilberforce Drive.
Right, it's crash.
Medium risk.
Crash. Yep, got him.
One is moving.
This suspect, who is career criminal, has been jailed for 12 years following a string of violent robberies and burglaries across the West Midlands after a force-wide manhunt. Check out this dramatic high-speed chase in Fiat 500.
Jacob Road, which is back up towards the Hagley Road and Junction 3, is still wrong side of the carriageway into the face of oncoming traffic.
He's gone straight over onto a footpath which will bring him out on Quinton Road West.
Left, Quinton Road West down towards West Boulevard Turn.
Anyway, and he brings him out onto Simmons Drive. And he's making across Simmons Drive into
The end of the alleyway. Right at the end of the alleyway, he's coming back out on Simmons Drive. Traffic unit just come down the driveway, go to your right, and he's just behind the houses there. I think he's just been detained.
With this clip, we conclude another Instant Karma episode on Caught by Police channel. I hope that you enjoy watching these epic moments. Make sure to stick to traffic rules because you can never know when and where a cop is watching from. Don't forget to leave a like and hit that subscribe button as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.